Hey guys, Haley here from Veterinary Practice Solutions. And welcome to our Animated Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's episode is Manners, the key to quality customer service. We all want to provide quality customer service. And in order to increase the quality of your customer service, you need to understand the importance of manners. What are manners? Manners actually consist of what is acceptable in a society as good behavior. They can apply to different environments and be different depending on what you're doing. But behind all actions that constitute as manners, there are similarities that exist. A main point is recognizing the existence of another person. If you act as if someone doesn't exist or they aren't important to you, you give off an impression of being arrogant and uncaring to your clients. Actions such as smiling or remembering someone's name can go a long way in showing someone they are important to you. You want to make sure that clients feel seen and valued. This can include things like having a record of what a client normally buys and having their purchase ready for them if they need it. It's the little things that make a difference in the end. When you listen to what a client says and really make them feel heard, you become someone they can trust. And they'll keep coming back. So let's do an exercise here. Think about a client who seemed upset. And ask yourself if you or your staff treated them like they were important, or if you ignored them or made them feel unimportant in some way. You can trace back a lot of upsets to when you didn't make someone feel seen or heard, which in the end is really just a point of good or bad manners. So try and implement good manners in your practice. And you'll start getting a reputation of amazing customer service, which will keep up a nice flood of new clients into your practice. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you're interested in more practice tips, attend one of our free webinars. To register, visit www.veterinarypracticesolutions.com/webinars or click the link in our description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.